Today, we're diving into some of the newest and most powerful robot vacuums on the market to see which ones truly deliver a hands-free cleaning experience. From premium all-in-one systems to surprisingly strong budget picks, let's break down what each model can do and which one might be perfect for your home. Roborock Q7 M5, a budget-friendly robot vacuum designed to keep daily dust under control without complicated setup. The Q7 M5 uses LiDAR-based navigation, giving you accurate home mapping, room selection, and scheduled cleaning right through the Roborock app. Despite the entry-level price, navigation feels smooth and reliable. Suction performance is solid for everyday cleaning, picking up crumbs, hair, and surface dirt on hard floors and low-pile carpets. The built-in mop adds extra freshness, though it's best suited for light maintenance rather than deep scrubbing. If you're looking for a simple, dependable robot to handle routine cleaning while keeping costs low, the Roborock Q7 M5 delivers great value and a pleasantly hands-off experience. The Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni, a powerful all-in-one cleaning system built for busy homes. This robot brings impressive 18,000 Pascal suction, dual sweeping brushes, and a smart roller mop that washes, scrubs, and lifts automatically. But the real star is the Omni Station, a fully automated dock that empties the dust bin, washes and dries the mop pads, and refills clean water on its own. You get edge-to-edge cleaning, carpet detection, room mapping, and detailed app control with almost zero manual effort. For pet owners, families, or anyone who wants a premium, set-and-forget experience, the X8 Pro Omni delivers outstanding performance. It's an investment, but the convenience and cleaning power make it one of the most complete robot solutions available. The Tapo RV30 Max Plus, a value-packed vacuum and mop robot engineered for everyday convenience. This model features LiDAR plus IMU navigation, which means accurate mapping, smart route planning, and reliable cleaning even in low-light environments. With 5,300 Pascal suction, an auto-empty dock, HEPA filtration, and adjustable water flow mopping, the RV30 Max Plus delivers strong daily cleaning performance whether you live in a small apartment or a mid-sized home. The dock's 3-liter dust bag lets you go weeks without emptying. In the app, you get room labeling, no-go zones, carpet boost, and scheduled cleaning. If you want a practical, easy-to-use robot with premium features at a budget-friendly price, the Tapo RV30 Max Plus is a smart choice. The Dreame X50 Ultra Complete, a flagship robot designed for users who want maximum power and automation. This robot pushes an enormous 20,000 Pascal suction, making it a standout for deep cleaning carpets and picking up stubborn debris. Its advanced mop system can scrub, lift, and return to the dock for hot water washing and hot air drying. The retractable LiDAR tower and enhanced wheel system help the X50 navigate thresholds and uneven floors with ease. The dock automates nearly everything from water refills to mop cleaning, giving you a truly hands-free experience. For larger homes, pets, or multiple floor types, the X50 Ultra Complete delivers premium performance with minimal maintenance, perfect for users who want the latest in robot cleaning tech. Roborock Saros 10R, a refined robot vacuum mop that blends power, intelligence, and a slim design. With 20,000 Pascal suction and a body height of just around 8 centimeters, the Saros 10R fits easily under low furniture while still delivering exceptional cleaning performance. Its solid-state LiDAR allows precise mapping without a bulky turret, giving it a sleek profile and smooth navigation. The all-in-one dock handles dust emptying, mop washing, and hot air drying, making maintenance incredibly simple. Ideal for mixed floors and busy households, the Saros 10R offers strong suction, reliable mopping, and smart control through the Roborock app. If you want a premium robot that's powerful, low profile, and highly automated, the Saros 10R is an excellent choice.